Akshay Mathur here, head of the Research Gateway team. Now, he wanted to get into this discussion and talk about the compromises that we would have to make. Yeah.
Well, I was just going to pick up from what Bharat was saying. He alluded in the context of nuclear cooperation, of course. But that debate about where we can make compromises or where the chances, it extends to some of the other fields. Of course, IPR is a well-known issue. And, all the experts in India have said that, we are compliant in case of IPR with the TRIPS, with the WTO TRIPS agreement. So what do we do now? Our court systems have put out a judgment, and that may be against the interests of the American companies. But should we make a compromise there? So some cases are in national interest, and it's a difficult issue to gauge whether you make compromise there or not, because the platform has been set up. The two governments are now talking on IPR. The same thing applies to bilateral investment treaty. We are not seeing eye to eye, and the businesses in India as well as in the US are at odds, because the American companies want BIT, and now in some cases Indian companies also want the investment treaty, because they're also going into the US and they're also going to some of the other parts of the world, and we want our investments protected. Now, can we allow the investor-state dispute resolution inside the BIT, which is a point of resolution, or not? Again, do we compromise on our national interests there? Maybe we should not. But there is a chance there that some of that may get compromised. Climate change, preferential market access treaty. So these lists, the list goes on and on. I think the point is that these are difficult negotiations at this point, and we have to be able to find a creative model out of this, because it is a test for our strategic relationship. It is a test for a developed country like the US to work with a developing country like India, and it is a test for the rest of the world to see whether it's Pakistan or China or other countries that are looking at India and the India-US the India-US relationship, to see whether this works and whether one can work with the United States or not. So we have to find a creative way forward. Otherwise, we will keep running into this issue whether the compromise is correct or not.
Right, Akshay Mathur, we have to look for a creative solution out of this, out of all the log jams that exist, and that will be really the test of this meeting between Barack Obama and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also to put to rest the fact that Barack Obama is a lame duck president at this moment. That all of that will be settled in the next 48 hours. Maruf, I'll come back to you. We'll slip into a short break, but when I come out on the other side, we'll get Maruf Raza's perspective on how India and America